Like that, what they quoted. This your boy right here. They see how I roll up in the morning, how I get up in the morning. I have to leave my house in the morning with his wife over here. Look, she still got shit. She been sucking the dick the whole night. Like, you know what I mean? I had to get up in the morning, like, boom, I'm gonna show you the boom time. My bulletproof red right here, right here. Behind my window right here. Oh, man, like shit. You seen all my motors and shit. I had a gym in here. They built a Shelby more spaceship after. He don't stole it. He got his little mama no come on. Stole all the matter. He don't kill her after. She been sucking dick. I heard. I'm gonna show you some shit. I'm gonna show you a chink in the armor though for real. But he like been rolling up like Molly, like Molly, why for real? You know what I'm saying? You see my club table that was on my seat right here. And this is my workshop. This is my tool workshop. Then my workshop, yeah, it tool on my team. But this is my workshop. He saw 100 billion, all that shit, on the Z and shit. On Quee, but she always sucking it up right now. To the day, boy, and to the day too. She act like he got a chick in the arm like that, and then he ain't got never chick in her and like and shit like that. I'm gonna show you one chick. Gilly, I'm gonna show you some shit right here, look. See right here. I'm gonna show you some shit right here. Yeah, to be nasty with this shit. Yeah, like I just plugged my charger up right here, my hybrid charger. But it ain't gonna charge up like it shake hard so hard, you hear it. They're trying to charge up and shit like that. She done stole my lighter in my room and shit. Light out and shit. Hold on. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna put a chink up. Show you how I build a nigga, yeah, I really know. Show you how much this shit roll out, boy. No, alright, then my Billy, you see my light done torched out right here. I still got my flashlight. I just plugged this right here. My arm right here. You see you see my generator. I had my generator, all that stuff plugged up over here in the city. Like she stole all that. He done got all that. He done billied up the still all that for. I'm gonna try the generator. I'm gonna show you how you charge the generator right there. You try the second gilly right here. Try to be about a second gilly. Right there. You see my armor? No. You see that bit? The light done went out. But like, you gotta keep the light on. The light gotta stay on now. I'm gonna show you some real shit by the chain. You see my glass table, my wine glass sit on the table like right here, like man, shit. And my bar, yeah. Man, I swear to God, boy. Let me sit on the table. See my bed, I got this from air mattress right here. I got air mattress right here. One of them revocable air mattresses. Look, these bitches pump up. They better pump up. I'm show you shit. Back up and shit like that. They want on. I gotta sit there and blow that bit. I got 3 airman pump. I got about 5 of them in here. I can't pump one of them bitches up. I'm gonna show you some shit right here though. I'm gonna show you a chink in the armor though for real, like she sucking them up to the day with real. Gilly, you see me? I'm gonna show you. You see the pipe in my hand though. Shit like that. That's the damn vocal. Damn vocal, boy. I gotta clean that bit there. That was damn duty. That's a duty. Duty, boy. Damn, like shit, I was roll around shit like this on my table. Like I sit around shit. I'm gonna show you something. Like boom, like yeah. I'm gonna show you that boom sound, man. I see the battery charge out, man. I'm not gonna show my face on it. The next one. I'm gonna show you some shit right here, bottom for real. And right there. She don't drop my light. You see that? Light up been dropped. Don't want to see that. Don't want to see me charge these up. I'm gonna show you the cigarette. Got niggas saying, look. Show the cigarette. So yeah, I'm in the cigarettes I got in my hand. I'm gonna show you some shit right here, man. Let me show you one thing, man. Like, you seen my charge and stuff I had now. I mean, I ain't been charged that one. I want to try that bitch up online with. I'm gonna show you how to bit. Show you how that bitch charge up one time for real. Sitting that nigga made so much money out here for real. Yeah. Drop the damn thing. That's the point. See how they get close at one time, bro. That nigga make some money. I like that, like that's up, but this pumping up was the first one. They watch it pump up. You see, they pump up somebody now. You see the gauge going up on this side of this. Yeah, you want floor out. Floor out when they hit 200 rounds, you know. And those BCP pumps and stuff like that. Oh, PFP pumps, you see that chart, you can hold it, be nailed on, stuff like that. That bitch pump, they roll the same back, see it pump it up. It's highly hood. That bitch, you know. Have a pump for what? My niece like cut out when they hit safety that when they hit real bad. Cut off. Yeah. Look, my damn pump. Look, I'm gonna show you this shit. Fresh pump. Now this damn nail gun right here, the HPA. That's on the chart. High that the high that head. Why this shit? It's something to see it, down. Now that was a real HPA, I'll show you now. That's probably about the HPA.